Hey everybody, Fred here. Got my tomatoes in today. Just a little video to show my progress. Appreciate all you guys. Please give us a like and a share if you would. Thank you. That's netting to keep neighborhood cats out. It's also going to be my cucumber trellising material of choice. Here we go. Not too bad for an old guy, 66 years old. This will probably be my last in-ground garden though. I think I'll go to raised beds next year. It's just getting a little too tough on my old back. Anyway, thank you again for stopping by. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.